This video is created for informational and educational purposes. Today I will share the real names of the Tic Tac toy family members, also their updated ages in 2026. Many more important details will be shared, so make sure to watch the video till the end. 1. Jessel Maxwell. Date of birth 16 January 1981. Real age in 2026 45 years old. Profession a YouTube content creator best known for creating the popular Tic Tac toy YouTube channel, producing educational and entertaining videos. Birth sign Capricorn. Birthplace United States. 2. Lucy Maxwell. Date of birth 10 August 1983. Real age in 2026 42 years old. Profession head of the popular family toy channel Tic Tac Toy, who has gained recognition as a major phenomenon in the YouTube community. Birth sign Leo. Birthplace United States. 3. Lily Maxwell. Date of birth 19 October 2010. Real age in 2026 16 years old. Profession a YouTube personality who has gained international fame and recognition as a member of the Tic Tac Toy Family channel. Birth sign Gemini. Birthplace United States. 4. Addie Maxwell. Date of birth 20 May 2010. Real age in 2026 16 years old. Profession eldest daughter of the popular YouTube toy channel Tic Tac Toy, which creates fun and entertaining content featuring hauls, skits, games, challenges, and adventure. Birth sign Taurus. Birthplace United States. 5. Maya Maxwell. Date of birth 2 December 2012. Real age in 2026 14 years old. Profession a leading star of the popular Tic Tac Toy YouTube channel, creating educational and entertaining videos alongside her sister, brother, and parents. Birth sign Sagittarius. Birthplace United States. 6. Colin Maxwell. Date of birth 20 June 2016. Real age in 2026 9 years old. Profession YouTube content creator and personality who rose to fame as a member of the Tic Tac Toy Family channel. Birth sign Gemini. Birthplace United States.